Starting from scratch, building an online business. Discover the world of online entrepreneurship in this comprehensive guide. Unpack the mystery of starting an online business from scratch. Understand the fundamentals of business planning. From defining your business idea to identifying your target market, we've got you covered. Learn the importance of analyzing your competition and creating a unique selling proposition. Dive into the practicalities of setting up your online platform. Whether it's an e-commerce store or a blog, learn the steps to choose the right platform, design a user-friendly site, and optimize for search engines. Marketing your online business is crucial for success. Get an overview of various digital marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Discover how to choose the ones that suit your business best. Don't underestimate the power of good customer service. It can make or break your online business. Learn how to deliver top-notch customer service that turns one-time buyers into loyal customers. Finally, learn the secrets of scaling your online business. Uncover techniques for increasing your customer base, expanding your product range, and tapping into new markets. Remember, the sky's the limit.